finally time to get to business. Just get out your secrets. There's cameras all over your room. There's no blind spots. You're going to be watched 24/7 from now on. I won't get anything out of those cameras thanks to that devil. After all that effort, we devils need compensation. Hey, I don't like repeating what I have to say. Oh, right. You can't talk right now. Yes, this makes sense to me now. If you only knew the plan I had, El. Yakby, I see your tricks now. You're multitasking like Yakby. One from a book with your right hand, specifically a dictionary. Then on the left, you're copying words from an book. Interesting. But you're far too easy to read. Al must think that I'm multitasking, but that's just to throw him off. All I really wanted were these potato chips. Thank you, Mr. Yakby, for letting me set up those cameras and lights room. It was very beneficial for me to see your secrets, and thanks to that, I'll put your son in his place, just like you asked. Can you beat him? No, this is going to be something far sweeter for the both of us. A night well done.